Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in today's session. I hope children you all are enjoying our composition period. So children, in the previous class we had learnt about the trees. Do you all remember? And today we are going to discuss about today's new topic. So are you ready children? Now look at this picture and tell me which map is this? Which country is this? Yes, India, our country. We live in India and we all are Indians. So this is the map of our country. Can you all tell me what we can see on the screen now? When you can see this in your school children? Have you celebrated national festivals? Can you name the national festivals which we celebrate? Yes. Independence Day and the Republic Day. And on these days we hoist the national flag. So here is a picture of a flag. This is the flag of our country, India. This is our national flag. So children, our today's topic is our national flag. We are going to discuss about our national flag. Now look at the screen children. See, we can see a flag. A national flag is a symbol of pride for any country. Okay, it is our national flag and we hoist national flag on the national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day. This is the symbol of our pride. Okay children. Number 2. India has a tricolor national flag. Can you all see the picture? In our flag there are 3 colors. You all just see the picture, you will understand that our national flag has 3 colors. The Indian national flag is also known as Tiranga, meaning tricolor. See children, because we can see there are 3 colors in our national flag, so it is called as Tiranga, means 3 colors. Okay children, so our national flag is also known as Tiranga, and Tiranga means 3 colors, means tricolor. Tri means 3. So when we are writing a composition, this is very important to understand. The Indian national flag is also known as Tiranga, meaning tricolor. The 3 parallel bands of colors in our national flags are saffron, white and green. Are all the colors same in our flag children? No. We can see 3 colors in the flag. All 3 colors are different. Yes. We can see above saffron color. Then in the middle we can see white color. And then we can see green color. So the three parallel bands of colors in our national flags are saffron, white and green. Do you know, children, our national flag, it is a symbol of pride for us and it always teaches us. So this saffron color stands for sacrifice. Saffron color stands for sacrifice. Means when we look at our Tiranga, our national flag, we understand our saffron stands for sacrifice. In our life, we have to sacrifice for our country. Actually, children, for the independence of our country, many great people, many freedom fighters fought very bravely, and because of their because they have sacrificed their life, we got independence. So it teaches us that saffron stands for sacrifice. It teaches us how to live our life. Now, white color in the middle. Look at the white color, children. So white stands for peace. There should be always peaceful atmosphere in our country. So this white color teaches us to be peaceful. So white stands for peace. Means, children, all Indians are equal. They should keep peaceful atmosphere among themselves. And the last color, green, stands for prosperity. It shows that our country is prosperous country. Green color is a symbol of prosperity. So green stands for prosperity. There is a 24-spoked wheel known as Ashoka Chakra in the center of the flag. Look at the flag, children. Can you see a wheel in the middle of the flag? Yes, it is called as Ashoka Chakra. It also teaches us many things. It is a symbol of pride for us. There is a 24-spoked wheel in the flag. Okay, children? So there is a 24-spoked wheel known as Ashoka Chakra in the center of the flag. The clothes used in the making of the flag is khadi silk or khadi cotton. You know, we have also learnt about the father of nation. Do you all know who is the father of nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. We have learnt in our value education about Mahatma Gandhi. Have you learnt, children? Okay, then I will tell you, all of you pay attention. Mahatma Gandhi was called as father of nation. He was a great freedom fighter. Okay, and he fought very bravely. He did many satyagraha for our independence, and finally on 15th August 1947 we got independence and our country became a republic. So Mahatma Gandhi used to make he used to make khadi cotton on charkha. So The clothes used in the making of the flag is khadi silk or khadi cotton. So children, we should all respect to our national flag. We should respect our national flag always, because it is a symbol of our pride, pride of our country. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood all the points today which we have discussed, and in the next class we are going to write it in the notebook. And also children, till the time you are going to practice of drawing our national flag. So today I am going to give you one small homework. In the next class we are going to write composition on the topic our national flag, but in advance you can draw a national flag in your notebook. And when we are writing composition, as you all know, we always write on the right hand side page, and left hand side page you all can draw the picture of a national flag. Okay children, I hope you all must have understood. Thank you so much children.